Welcome, crafters and designers. Welcome to Crafting with Pouidesigns Canva edition. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use gradient coloring, like gradient in Canva, like with Canva itself. I'll go to my elements. I'll go here and I'll select this one, this shape. I'll drag it up. Okay. I'll drag it up and I'll select it, go to color. And then I'll go down here. Here we have gradient. I will select this one. Okay, I have these two colors. Now, what I can do, you see there are so many settings here, so many combinations here that they are beautiful, but maybe I don't like them. Maybe I would like another color combination. You see, I want to make my own color scheme or my own color combination. Maybe I don't see the ones I love from here, so I'm going to create my own. So I'm just gonna select that. I had this one. No, yeah, and I'll go up here, and I'll go up here. I have my gradient, yeah, right here, and you see the setting in here. I'll select the setting, and here my gradient consists of these two colors. Okay, and look, first we're going to, this is the one we have, like the one over here. I can bring it horizontally or vertically, one of those two, you know it. And this one, like the pink is in the corner, the blue is in the middle, and the blue is in the corner. So you have those 5 styles. I want to change my colors. Instead of pink, let's say I want yellow. I will select pink and go in here and look for yellow. You see, I have the yellow right there. You see, now I have another one. I'll go here and say, oh, I don't want this. I want purple. Let's say purple pinkish. I got this one. If I want to put it blue, put it like this. Put it like this. And I can also change where I want the colors to be. So you can go in and create your own. Find your own style and create your own. You have to select you have to choose gradient down there and come in here and select the setting, solid colors. I go in here, select here, go in here, there, yeah, see it, you are the gradient here, and then you can change your colors. Let's say I want black. Sorry, I need to be in here, here, and I take my color from down here. You see that? I can change it. So this is how you use it. Make sure you see that the opacity here. If you drag it, it will be so light. It will be gone. You keep it on 100. Okay. Okay, this is how you do it. And I think you can also look for colors like this, and drag and drop, like zoom in it and change it. Let's say we choose red. Yeah, you see that? So you can change it, but make sure you select a gradient down there and come in the settings and select the settings and be on this side, not on this side, on this side, and then you can change it. And here are the different styles that you can have, and you can change it and create your own design wherever you want to use it for. Yeah, but you can use it like this, but you can also make your background like a full background if it's that you want. And one more thing, let me go back fast and show you this. You see, you can add more colors. If I want, I can add green. You see that? You can always add more colors to it. You can add more colors, and you can also rotate your colors. Like I stand here and I want a thing here and I put it here. You see that? Like move them around as possible. You can go in and change. I don't want it, I want green now. You can go in and change it. You see? And this is so beautiful. So you can go and change it. You see that? This is amazing. This is amazing. Game changer. Amazing. So go in and play with it. Play with it. But there's one thing. You can only add gradients to the elements, like the elements. You can only add gradients to the elements. I have not found it to add gradients to other places. Let me go fast. Uploads. This is the SVG that I have in here. I cannot add gradients. The gradients is not available for it. Okay, but it's only for the elements in the system. Okay, like we did here, the elements of the system, but not for. I'm gonna show you another video how you can add gradients to your own image to be used in Canva. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.